Interpreting the technical specifications for the Vickers amplifier card. EEA-PAM-513-A-32. The maximum solenoid current is 1.6 amps. The amplifier input current at 0 volt command signal is 0.3 amps. The voltage gain with factory settings is 10% per volt with an adjustment per direction at 2.5 to 10% per volt. The nominal voltage for the power supply is 24 volts DC at 50 watts. A detected overload within the amplifier card will cause an automatic reset. The ambient temperature range for this card is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. The amplifier will shut down with less than 18 VDC. The voltage range for this amplifier card is 20 to 40 volts. It features reverse polarity protection. The ramp active indicator has an output of 10 kiloohms. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all EEA-PAM card sales and replacements.